Blue sky, sunshine, and a beautiful spot surrounded by nature, accompanied by a good wine. Marvelous! This is what we want to preserve. That's why we conduct grapevine research here at the Kühn-Institut for Grapevine Breeding Kühn-Institut. To ensure that the winemaking craft has a future, tradition and modernity go hand in hand. Our mission? We create so-called PVs, fungus-resistant grapevine varieties. These are grapevine varieties adapted to the current environmental conditions for the sustainable viticulture of tomorrow. We accompany the change from traditional viticulture to precision viticulture, an innovative cultivation and management method. It's based on the application of data, technologies, and scientific findings. Its aim is to optimize vineyard management through database decisions in the areas of irrigation, fertilization, plant protection, and grape harvesting. Various technical aids such as sensors, platforms, GPS and artificial intelligence for data analysis are needed to collect the necessary data. In addition to viticultural techniques and fully digitalized processes, precise knowledge of the needs of the vines is essential. The interaction of these three factors enables customized vineyard management and thus contributes to better wine quality, more efficient use of resources, and reduced environmental impact. Precision viticulture is already being practiced in some areas today. For example, models based on climate data provide recommendations on the optimum time for plant protection. Thanks to laser applications, certain work steps can be optimized. For example, plant protection products can be applied in the most environmentally friendly way possible, or under vine weeds can be gently removed. And even more is possible in the future. Drone-derived data could allow precise determination of water and nutrient supply and identify any need for action. With the help of cameras and AI, grape harvesters could make a quality-specific selection during the harvest so that only good grapes are picked. And robots could take over pruning and harvesting. In order for this digital support to be used in practice, all components must interact perfectly. At the Institute for Grapevine Breeding Kühn-Institut, we therefore support research on various sensors, trait recognition, and communication between machines and their software interfaces. In doing so, we never lose sight of the practical side of things and thus enable the viticulture of tomorrow. You'd like to find out more about cultivation and research at the Julius Kühn-Institut? Visit us at julius-kühn.de/zr.